the ladies get what they ask for. The red is reserved for elders, initiations, for rock painting. Ochre is mixed with animal fat, and also for coating weapons and useful items like cooler bars.
So where are we now?
We are somewhere in the West MacDonnell Ranges, visiting the Ochre Pits.
Ochre Pits.
So it's a little 300-metre walk, nicely paved.
Cool. Is it busy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it busy, man?
Just remember, we're not to actually touch any of the ochre
Why?
or break off pieces, because this is actually a local Aboriginal site.
Oh, cool.
And the ochre is a very important part of country for them.
Oh yeah.
They use it for ceremonies and the stuff and the like. So they ask that out of respect we don't mess around with it, because they will be using it.
Dear, follow us. Do not dig or remove. Maximum penalty 5,000.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, maybe it's just like a young pussycat. I'm trying to figure out. Flowers on yeah, and there's so I'll go around and see if I can see flowers. The desert rose, we have something different than what we call the desert rose. cut and there's lots of sap that's come out of it. So it's manna.
What's it called?
Manna.
Mana.
Sap.
The resin.
Yeah.
Mau kemana? Mau kemana? Look at the tree.
What a magnificent tree. Look at all the nesting holes he's got in it.
Maybe possum inside. They have possum or not here?
I don't think so.
They're live or not here?
Might be a bit dry for possums.
To dry for
Bird
possum.
nests.
Maybe brown snake.
Lizards. Wouldn't stick my hand in there just in case.
Maybe dingo.
Unlikely.
Never can tell. This one.